رئيسنا الثاني رحبوا على المسرح الياس المالكي.
Look at the drip. This guy is always cool. We just saw him there streaming with Gerard Piqué. This guy travelled in style. I've been checking out his Instagram as he's been rocking up. He is well known in Kings League. Of course, he led Team Morocco to the World Cup Nations 2025, reached the semis, hit over 600,000 peak viewers. This guy is a legend. Welcome.
الياس اهلا وسهلا فيك، مساء الخير. كيف احساسك الليله؟ مبين دريب من فوق لتحت. شو هاي؟
أول حاجة يا بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم، وشكرا للمملكة السعودية على حسن الاستقبال، وشكرا لجيرارد بيكي على هذا الشيء كامل، وشكرا بزاف.
Thank you very much, Saudi Arabia, and to Gerard Piqué for making this happen. A momentous night for, of course, Ilyas and Kings League and MENA, really sports and football in general. طب من أول مرة أنت بتكون مع كينجز ليج، شو حفزك أنك تدخل بكينجز ليج MENA بأول موسم له؟
أول موسم كان حلو، وثاني موسم كان حلو، وثالث موسم كان حلو، والرابع راح يكون أحلى لأنه في المملكة العربية السعودية إن شاء الله.
I've been in every single one of those seasons in every way possible, and now it's only gonna get better. Why? Because we're in Saudi Arabia, simple as.
I love it. All right, and what else I love is it's time now. Some of us have seen it already, but let's reveal your team name and logo. Here we go.
Ultra Shmisha!
I love the name. Shmisha, tell me more.
شو معنى شميشة؟
لأن جبتها من الشمس، لأن الشمس شيء حلو، وأنا بحب الشمس.
شو الشمس؟
الشمس. الشمس.
What is Shmisha? Well, Shams is sun in Arabic, and Shmisha is a way of saying the little beautiful sun.
Love it. So you guys are going to shine in Kings League MENA. I like it. I love it. All right, listen, you are going to stick around because we're going to talk to you more as we do, but it is now time